Hey. What are today's messages and what do we need to see and hear today? Stick some cards and see what we get. Patience. If you've tried forever to shift a problem, there's probably something to learn from embracing it. May I let this be for now? Help me relax and trust. Every need will be met. Often change soon follows. Number 12. You're more powerful than you know. These are hard to shuffle. Silkies, these special seals can shed their outer form and become human. You too are capable of magical metamorphoses. I am capable of glorious, life-changing transformation. Turn that negative self-view around. What is one personality trait that you don't appreciate about yourself? Can you turn it into something you love about yourself? Example, I don't like that I get frustrated when things don't turn out how I imagine. Could become, I love that I care so much about the things I do. Live to honor a legacy of love and propel yourself with your infinity. Be the star of your life. The process of trusting ourselves and others takes time. Let it go. Our brains and hands and souls only have so much space, but holding a grudge can feel so good, so righteous. Letting go doesn't mean that their crappy behavior is erased. It doesn't mean that your pain isn't real. It doesn't mean that anyone gets unearned forgiveness. Not all grudges, disappointments, and betrayals and mistakes are worth holding on to. Loosen your grip and you free up space for something better, like ice cream. You like ice cream, right? Number 9, homes. Live in an ecological, creative, and fun space. If you could create the dream house, what would it look like? Inspiration. The mind is everything. What you think, you become. Buddha. Flourished friendship. Embrace authentic connections and find joy in friendships and shared experiences. Three, support, expansion, inspiration, confidence, connection, purpose, and mastery. Focus inward now. Perfect the skills you have, uncover new talents, and unleash your creativity. Embrace your inner artist. Expressing yourself will enhance your self-esteem and solidify your purpose. Your unique abilities can have the positive impact on your community. What else do we need to see and hear today? The Divine Artist. I am vibrant. I am a vibrant creator. I express my unique vision on the palette of my life. My creative spirit flourishes when it is given freedom to influence my environment and choices. I am the artist of my life, co-creating with the divine. And our last card today before we go to our quotes. Play in the positive. I like to take care of myself with love through rest, play, movement, and positive thinking. Let's change the way we eat. Let's change the way we live. Let's change the way we treat each other. Don't act your age, act your magic, act your hunger. Age has no idea who you are. Act the life still left in you. Law of Attraction's perspective. The greatest wealth you will ever experience is having a healthy body, a calm mind, and the right people in your life. Per Mark Manson, what you can't change the past, the world, and other people. But what you can change is your attitude, your assumptions, and beliefs. Stillman and Eric Berg's perspective. Avoiding sunlight causes more disease than not exercising. Perspective number 789. Replace your to-do list with a glimmer list. Tiny sensory moments that make your parts feel safe, such as a baby laughter, your pet curled beside you, a hug, sunlight through the leaves, back in the background, and a cup of warm tea. And the last one today. It's okay to distance yourself from spaces that demand a version of you that is no longer true. Belonging shouldn't depend on an illusion. Alrighty, thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos.